Continuous carbonization furnace is the newest type of charcoal making machine with high efficiency. Before using this machine, we should do good preparation in the early stage. This is a liquefied gas tank and connecting device which is mainly used to ignite the furnace before the carbonization beginning. Connecting with the liquefied gas, there are 12 burners to ignite the furnace. For preheating the furnace, we should open the switch of the burner for increasing the temperature quickly. The electric cabinet controller can display the carbonization temperature, current, and voltage, and adjust the carbonization speed. When the furnace temperature reaches about 280 Celsius degrees, we can put the biomass materials into the inlet. One thing should notice that we should add water to the bearing for cooling and protecting the bearing. When we put the rice husk into the inlet, the screw conveyor will transport them into the carbonization furnace. Then the rice husk will roll forward in the furnace and be carbonized within only 20 minutes. When the carbonization is stable, we can turn off the burners and use the gas produced in the furnace for heating. The fan can extract extra gas out for other use, such as for drying the materials in the dryer machine. This setting mainly can prevent oxygen into the furnace. This is the whole set of this carbonization furnace, and we can see the overall design and structure in details. The final rice husk charcoal will be discharged from the cooling conveyor.